Today I'm going to show you how to share your Wi-Fi connection from your smartphone. First of all, go to settings, then choose wireless networks, then choose tethering and portable hotspot, then choose Wi-Fi bridge option. Click setup Wi-Fi bridge option and change the network name and password according to your choice. I'm going to set it as Wi-Fi 2 and I'm going to change my password. After doing that, click save. Now tap this icon to turn on the Wi-Fi bridge. Now let's check this from another device. Okay, now you can see the Wi-Fi 2 network which I previously created with my smartphone. Now let's try to connect to the shared Wi-Fi network. It's connected and this is how you can share your Wi-Fi connection from your smartphone. Thank you very much for watching.